Have you seen the latest mega project proposal from Saudi Arabia in Riyadh? If not, watch the entire video to find out exactly what this project is. Welcome back to my new video, everyone, which speaks of Mukaab, Mukaab, the upcoming Saudi Arabian mega project. So make sure you've subscribed to my channel and clicked the bell icon before we start. Let's begin. Few countries can claim to have future plans as ambitious as Saudi Arabia. The kingdom started a journey to diversify its economy away from oil, create jobs, and improve its international reputation as a major hub for trade and tourism, with investments totaling billions of dollars. As part of its Saudi Vision 2030 plan, Saudi Arabia seeks to create the largest modern downtown in the world in Riyadh. Mukaab, the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia, has unveiled a daring new project that would create the largest modern downtown in the world, one big enough to house 20 Empire State Buildings. The Mukaab, a 400-meter tall by 400-meter wide cube city, will be the focal point of Riyadh's new downtown. The Mukaab will be a part of the larger New Maraba project, a construction plan intended to turn a 19-square-kilometer area northwest of Riyadh into a thriving mixed-use district. The project, which will be managed by the New Maraba Development Company, was unveiled by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz in February 2021. The structure will have a futuristic twist on the contemporary Najdi architectural design. According to the developers, the Mukaab will feature ever-changing environments, made possible by holographic displays that interact with the surrounding urban environment and are created using digital and virtual technology. Let's say Saudis appreciate excellent concepts. A tower on top of a spiral base and a building with 2 million square meters of floor space will be enclosed by the cube, which will also shelter retail, cultural, and tourist attractions. Additionally, it will include commercial spaces, leisure facilities, and residential and hotel accommodations. The New Maraba project will have a total of 1.4 million square meters of office space, 980,000 square meters of retail space, 104,000 residential units, and 9,000 hotel rooms. 1.8 million square meters of space will also be set aside for community facilities. The New Maraba project, which includes green spaces, walking and cycling paths, is destined to become a benchmark for sustainable urban development. In addition, there will be a theater, a museum, a technology and design museum, and more than 80 other places of entertainment and culture in the district. Living, working, and entertainment options will be accessible to New Maraba residents within a 15-minute walking radius, while the airport will only be a 20-minute drive away. According to the project's developers, it will generate more than 350,000 jobs, making it a significant driver of regional economic growth. The Mukaab project is expected to be finished several years before the rest of New Maraba, which is expected to be finished by 2030. The project's completion will mark a significant turning point in Saudi Arabia's economy's ongoing transformation away from its reliance on oil and gas exports. The Mukaab and the larger New Maraba project give a clear indication of the Saudi Arabian government's goals, which include making the nation a leader in innovation, technology, and sustainable development. If it is successful, the project might establish a new standard for massive urban development initiatives all over the world. And that's it. I sincerely hope you had enjoyment and found the video to be interesting. If that is the situation, please click like. Thanks for watching.